Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Shraddha Das's traditional fashion choices radiate a unique charm and sophistication, embracing classic Indian wear while adding her own contemporary twist. Known for her striking beauty and poise, she often gravitates towards saris that capture her elegance, whether in rich silks, flowing chiffons, or intricate embroidered fabrics. She seamlessly blends traditional motifs with modern cuts, choosing saris with bold borders, fine detailing, and often vibrant colors that complement her radiant persona. The actress may choose a royal blue or deep red sari adorned with heavy zari work and pair it with a chic blouse, balancing grandeur and elegance effortlessly. Shraddha also experiments with lehengas, gravitating towards those with intricate patterns, mirror work, or fine embroidery that elevate her regal look. In one of her memorable photoshoots, she donned a luxurious velvet lehenga set that showcased a rich palette of maroons and golds, embodying sophistication while embracing classic Indian heritage. Paired with traditional jewelry, such as jhumkas, chokers, and bangles, she completes her looks with hairstyles that range from sleek buns to loose curls, each carefully chosen to match the tone of her attire. Her makeup is kept soft yet impactful, highlighting her features without overpowering the outfit, creating a balanced and harmonious look. When it comes to salwar suits, the beauty favors anarkalis and floor-length suits in pastel shades like blush pink, mint green, and lavender, as well as vibrant hues such as emerald green or royal blue. These choices exude grace while providing a different kind of traditional charm. She has a keen eye for detailing, often seen wearing suits with intricate embroidery around the neckline, cuffs, or borders, bringing a touch of artistry and craftsmanship into her wardrobe. The dupattas she pairs with these outfits are often equally grand, adding layers and volume that further enhance her regal appeal. Her love for traditional attire extends beyond just the fabric and design. She's also meticulous about choosing accessories that enhance each outfit's unique appeal. When she wears saris or lehengas, her jewelry choices are thoughtfully curated. For instance, with opulent saris, she often pairs heavy temple jewelry, such as elaborate gold necklaces, jhumkas, and kama bands, which beautifully highlight her neckline and waist, creating a balanced and regal aesthetic. For more understated or pastel lehengas, she leans towards polki or kundan jewelry, embracing the subtle sparkle these pieces bring to her look. The actress is known to wear maan tikkas and nath for special events, adding an extra touch of traditional grace that pays homage to India's cultural roots. Her attention to detail is also seen in her hairstyle and makeup choices, each one thoughtfully crafted to bring out the best of her outfit. With heavier saris, she often opts for elegant buns adorned with flowers, a timeless touch that channels classic Indian beauty. These floral accents, especially in jasmine or roses, lend a soft, romantic look that complements her attire. When she wears lighter, flowing saris or lehengas with modern cuts, she often leaves her hair in loose waves or soft curls, adding a youthful yet graceful vibe to her traditional ensemble. Her makeup also changes to match the tone of each outfit. She often opts for a dewy, natural look with nude lips and subtle highlighter, but Shraddha Das isn't afraid to experiment with bold red lips and kohl-rimmed eyes for more dramatic, glamorous outfits. Even her footwear is chosen with care, often matching the tone and style of her attire. With saris, she might choose embellished jutis or traditional modis, which not only look beautiful but also reflect her appreciation for handcrafted accessories. With lehengas and floor-length anarkalis, she may opt for intricately designed heels or wedges that add both height and elegance to her look. Her choice of footwear, much like her outfits, shows her attention to even the smallest details, completing each look with a seamless blend of comfort and style. Her traditional looks aren't just about clothes and accessories, they're about telling a story and honoring heritage. For special festival photoshoots or cultural events, she often chooses outfits that reflect the festival's significance. For instance, during Diwali, she may be seen in bright, festive colors like gold, red, and orange, often pairing these with accessories that have an ethnic charm, like bangles and anklets. For more solemn events or traditional functions, she embraces muted tones with heavier embroidery or even handloom saris, showcasing her respect for traditional craftsmanship. This versatility and her ability to tailor her style to suit the occasion make Shraddha's traditional fashion choices both inspiring and deeply rooted in cultural appreciation. Her approach to traditional fashion also highlights her commitment to supporting Indian craftsmanship and promoting sustainable fashion. She often chooses pieces that reflect artisanal skills, such as handloom saris, Banarasi silks, and intricate fulkari work, bringing a cultural richness to her wardrobe. These choices show her appreciation for the heritage behind each piece, as well as her dedication to supporting local artisans and heritage crafts. Her selection of saris like Kanjivaram, Patola, and Chikankari is a testament to her love for India's diverse weaving techniques, with each piece narrating a story of age-old traditions that she proudly wears and showcases. In more formal traditional settings, such as weddings or red carpet events, the actress frequently opts for lehengas that are luxurious yet intricately designed. She is known to favor lehengas with ornate, handcrafted details, think intricate zardozi or mirror work that gives the attire a three-dimensional depth. These lehengas often come in colors like deep maroon, emerald green, and royal blue, each shade selected to complement her skin tone and reflect the grandeur of the occasion. Her outfit choices in such settings show her ability to elevate traditional styles to high fashion standards without losing their essence. Shraddha's traditional fashion choices also include a mix of Indo-Western elements that bring a refreshing twist to her look. She has been seen sporting sari gowns and pre-draped saris, combining the grace of a sari with the ease of Western wear. These fusion outfits not only offer a modern take on traditional attire but also reflect her willingness to experiment and evolve her style. For instance, a metallic pre-draped sari with a structured blouse showcases her fashion-forward thinking while still paying homage to the sari's traditional roots. These ensembles, often complemented with minimalistic jewelry and a bold lip color, highlight her versatility and her knack for blending tradition with innovation. Her styling choices are also notable for their seamless attention to personal expression. The actress often incorporates her unique preferences into her traditional attire, giving each outfit a personal touch that makes it uniquely hers. She might pair a classic sari with a contemporary blouse, such as one with an off-shoulder or halter design, bringing a touch of modernity to her traditional look. She also plays with textures and layers, occasionally layering dupattas or adding a belt to define her waist, lending a fashion-forward edge to her ensemble without detracting from its traditional appeal. Her personal style shines through her use of color palettes, which are thoughtfully chosen to match both her mood and the occasion. While she embraces bright and vibrant colors during festive seasons, she also selects pastel shades like peach, lavender, and mint green for day events, showcasing a soft, ethereal side to her traditional looks. Her boldness with color extends to her makeup choices as well. She is not afraid to use jewel-toned eyeshadow or a pop of color on her lips, adding depth to her look in a way that enhances her outfit rather than overpowering it. Her traditional fashion journey is a testament to her versatility, her love for cultural expression, and her confidence in experimenting with styles. Her choices serve as inspiration for anyone looking to honor Indian tradition while embracing modern fashion sensibilities. Her outfits are a masterclass in blending traditional elegance with contemporary flair, proving that classic Indian attire can be both timeless and trendy. Each time Shraddha dons a traditional ensemble, she reaffirms her standing as a fashion icon, someone who embodies the grace, heritage, and vibrancy of Indian fashion while paving her own path with confidence and creativity. And if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.